Hey, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to Car Expert, your ultimate source for car reviews and updates. Today, we are talking about an SUV that defines luxury, sophistication, and rugged performance, the Land Rover Range Rover. Known for its opulent interiors, powerful performance, and unmatched off-road prowess, the Range Rover is a true icon. Let's explore what makes the 2025 Range Rover the ultimate luxury SUV for the Indian market. Body. Exterior design. The 2025 Land Rover Range Rover is a perfect blend of elegance and ruggedness, exuding unmatched road presence. At the front, it features the iconic Range Rover grille with a sleek and minimalist design, flanked by digital LED headlights that provide sharp visibility. The smooth, uncluttered body lines and floating roof design add to its sophisticated silhouette. The 22-inch alloy wheels, flush door handles, and a sloping roofline enhance its modern and sporty appeal. The rear is equally striking, with vertical LED tail lamps and a clean tailgate design that reflects the Range Rover's luxurious identity. With its timeless design and attention to detail, the Range Rover is built to make a statement: safety and build quality. The 2025 Range Rover is packed with advanced safety features to ensure peace of mind for all passengers. Standard safety features include 8 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, and a 360-degree camera. Advanced driver assistance systems (ADAS) include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, emergency braking, blind spot monitoring. The Range Rover's aluminum body architecture ensures durability while keeping the vehicle lightweight for better performance. With its robust build and cutting-edge safety features, the Range Rover offers unmatched security. Outro. So, what do you think of the 2025 Land Rover Range Rover? With its iconic design, luxurious interiors, advanced technology, and off-road capabilities, it's a perfect blend of style and substance. Whether you're cruising in the city or exploring rugged trails, the Range Rover delivers an unmatched experience. Let us know in the comments if the Range Rover is your dream SUV, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Car Expert, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.